So in order to create a new project, what you can also do is you can utilize templates. So to do that, you need to go around onto the file menu right here. And over here, you can see that new from template is an option right here. You can also alternatively go around onto the welcome screen right here, and then you can go around and click on new document right here. And over here you can see that template is an option, and there are many different templates that you can choose from. Even while you go around and create a new document right here, you can go around onto template right here just like this, or click on any one of these as well. So over here you can see that there are different templates that you can choose from right here. And then you can see that this is what you have. You can go around and let's say, for example, zoom out right here and see more templates at the same time as well. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around and select this out right here, you can simply go around and open it. And what happens is that you get a template which you can simply go around and edit right here. Let's say, for example, you can simply go around and replace out the text right here just like this. And then this is the graphics that you have. You can go around and move this, change this out according to how you want right here, just like this, and so forth. So that is how you can go around and utilize templates for starting a new project inside of Corel Draw. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.